beautiful sunshine on the weekend. Reed's home from college.
Yeah.
We are going to clean up the raised beds. It's amazing how things can get so out of control. Charlie's here working. We have a lot of ants around. And we're just going to get to it. I guess the goal is this one and that one. I've been wondering why I'm always here when I'm needed for cleaning up and weeding and planting, hoeing, and all that. But I've missed the produce. All that wonderful kale, I missed it. All the wonderful melons he grew, I missed them. But
More for me.
Here. Yeah, and I'm here pitching in, and Charlie's with us, so we're gonna get to work, and then we'll get back with you.
I'm just gonna take it right down in the woods. Yeah, you get the stuff.
What happens if stuff starts falling off?
Just pick it up.
Can you give me a quick lesson on the tractor? I'll drive it.
You'll drive it?
Yeah.
What? Are you serious?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't want to pick up all the stuff that falls off. You can do that. Okay, there's a step. Oh boy, it looks a little complicated. But hey, I was a motorcycle mama for about 8-9 years. I knew how to keep up with the big boys.
Believe it or not.
Believe it or not. Calder. Up.
Yep. You're gonna. There's your clutch right there. Left brake.
This?
Yep. Hold it down and turn the key. Yep. So now, here, I'm gonna lift this up. You're gonna hold the clutch. This is the brake. You don't have to do anything with this. The clutch will stop it as well. You're gonna hold the clutch, push this in forward. Yep, until it, whoops, I hit the horn.
Okay.
Hit it up more? Yep, there you go.
And let the clutch out?
No, you gotta go. We'll do you slow, so we'll go in like 2. So you gotta wiggle it to the 2.
That too?
Yep. Yep. There we go. Oh boy.
instructor.
Great job.
But, you know, once you've ridden a motorcycle and know how to not step 2 feet on. Thank you.
Welcome.
So yeah, I mean, first gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear. It's really,
All you need to know.
it's not as fun as a motorcycle though. But thank you for that lesson. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Get my cup. I would have put her to work.
Okay, you're in frame now.
Okay. Redo. No,
Redo.
no. Skip the redo. We did that a minute ago. No, it's,
No, you picked up two of the same pair.
well, why did you try to trick me?
Okay.